How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing how to make Riordan's track two-step. Riordan is absolutely killing it. He started making speed garage originally, but now does a sort of speed garage tech house sort of hybrid. He's a super talented producer and he got his break from posting loads of TikToks. So he'd do like voice memos or something. Oh, do a remix of like Katy Perry Kiss the Girl into speed garage. And then he'd do a short TikTok of him doing that and he sort of blew the fuck up. And now he's getting gigs fucking everywhere. Anyway, here's a preview of what you all have made by the end of this video. Great, so the first element we're going to start with is the bass. It's made of two parts. So there's this sort of like stussy lead. And it's sat on top of this reese bass. Let's start firstly with that stussy lead. So of course this is made in Serum and is a preset from my Speed Garage Volume 4 Serum preset pack. This pack has tons of sick presets. Let me show you some of them now. So they've all got previews. So example, you just click here. Say my name. And you've got chords, so YUQT. All the presets are based off popular speed garage tracks that have come out over the past sort of 6 months. So definitely check that out. The link to that is in the description. Great, so this sound is fairly simple. Let's firstly start with the MIDI. So we're in the key of F minor and we just go F up to the B flat, down to the B flat, D flat, E flat, and then we finish on C. Feel free to pause the video and copy that. So if you bought the Speed Garage pack, then you can get the MIDI, so you can just search two-step, and then you've got the bass, which is this, and then the reese, which is this. Of course, then the sound design itself, we have 2 saw waves, one's pitched down by 2 octaves, one's pitched down by 5 semitones. We then get this envelope one. We create this sort of nice, sort of short, plucky sound. Drag that over onto the cutoff, MG low 18. Cut off all the way down, bring that blue up. Pretty simple. EQ, this is being controlled by this macro one, just in case you want to kill the bass. And then reverb, of course, optional. That is it, yeah. It's just sort of stussy, like Chris Stussy. A lot of his like popular tracks use a lead just like this. So yeah, we then go on to the reese. Great, so let's have a look at how this patch is made. So in the sub, we have a sine wave pitched down by -2 octaves. In A and B, we then just have a basic shapes saw, both pitched down by -2. One's plus 17 and one's minus 15. And it's gonna get that sort of reese sound. Sound like that. We then turn on this filter, MG low 24, A, B, and piano mode selected. Put that to 274. Great, we go over to the effects. First, we've got this EQ. So this is boosting heavily at 3,300 hertz. So you get rid of this, but you're not going to get a sort of loud sound. We've then got it going through this distortion, where the mix is 100% with the drive on 0. So it's basically just getting sort of softened. We then have this compression, a bit of reverb, and some hyper dimension, making it wider. If I have a quick look at the effects of the basses, so in that plucky sound, I got this a bit warmer, which is just the preset. So if you search here, a bit warmer, it's just saturation preset, which people used to use like 10 years ago on like everything. It doesn't really do a whole lot, I'll be honest. Then we've got this kickstart for 47, just making it duck a little bit to the kick. Put it all the way, it's way too much. We then have the same sort of thing on that reese bass, so 71%. Great, now let's move on to the drums. So all we have is this kick. Pretty basic kick. Then we've got this drum bus, a bit of drive, a bit of crunch. If you get rid of that, still thumpy, but just want to be like in your face. And then we have this top loop. vocal obviously sounds a bit like shit because
Two-step.
it's chopped using LA. It's got this EQ, boosting the high end a little bit, and this limiter. And yeah, this top loop is from the Speed Garage Volume 5 drums pack. Obviously, if you want that, link in the description. Just come back from a ski holiday. I just can't seem to mix this track that well. I think I'm partially deaf in one ear, not too sure. But yeah, that is the track. I hope you learnt something new, and as always, comment down below which videos you want to see next. Yeah, thanks. Cheers.